Hey guys, what's up? This is a taste test. Um, so I made some Moroccan eggs and my cinnamon bread on sweet Hawaiian toast. I think the total cost of this is probably, so eggs right now are 10 for 10. Until you determine the value of your meal. So right now on sale, eggs are for 10 for 10, so $1 divided by 12, we'll say 0.12%, or no, or is it, might be 0.12%, or 0.18, one of the two, don't worry about it, in an egg. So basically how many eggs divided by $1? 12 divided by $1, right? You do the math. Don't do my math because I'm not there yet. And then, like, you know what I mean? Like, I'm doing it, but y'all got me. You know what I'm saying? Okay. We got that. We're not going to include the seasonings, but if we did as a combination of both, we'll give it a $6 budget, whatever. So, say if we can get, we're not going to include, just think about that, because that's parsley, red pepper, paprika, and then mild cheddar cheese. I'm thinking about trying a different type of cheese on there, like a buffalo, but we'll see. And then my cinnamon bread, so $1.67 per serving is maybe a teaspoon on each piece of toast. The toast was $1.88 divided by 2 slices, but maybe they gave us 14 slices in the total, so $1.88 divided by 14. Then you add it up. Well, we ain't gonna do numbers yet, okay? Right now we just talking. We're gonna taste test so you guys can understand what the work that I'm gonna be presenting you down. You feel me? How was everyone's day? So I started saying this is 11-week grind. If you are new to my channel, this is just me documenting my time before I leave my parents' house, if I ever leave. But no jinxing on it. But what I learned in this week, in these 11 weeks, about, how I spend, how I'm going to survive, how I'm going to leave behind information, because I realized that's important. I feel like now, if I do leave, when I leave, I'll become the example, you know what I'm saying? The example of, not really rules, but an idealization. I live to inspire someone's same form of idealization. They're like, ooh, this is what I would like to do. You know what I mean? Or these are the tools this person taught me to better my life. So on both spectrums, from my parental side and from the child side, because, teacher-student, the relationship is very interchangeable. So whenever I'm home, I feel like I'm learning. If you don't understand right now, I'm literally listening. Without back talk and false promises. I'm so focused on his toes, I'm supposed to be trying to egg, huh? It took me 4 minutes, 3 minutes to get this top. 1 slice, 1 triangle. How do you guys like your toast? You like it cut like this, or cut in triangle, or cut in fours? I like fours if I'm eating, I really like to fold it. That's my preferred way. But I prefer, if I'm going to eat it, like dip it, or with some eggs or something, I'll do like that, like a cracker. But it's cool. So I just let me know, y'all. It's by Tropicana. It's called Tangerine Lemonade. 5-5. I literally am the person that put a straw like right here. Oh, I guess y'all could see that. I put a whole straw in something. Kill that shit for the day. That's my juice for the day. Like that could really like juice me up all day, you know what I mean? I'm trying to, I don't know, I ain't gonna say I'm trying not to drink no juice, 'cause I'm not really a juicy girl. Like when I go through a juice phase, I'm going through a juice, like I'm gonna drink that juice. And it's like, it's 59 ounces, that's like 52 over there. Alright, here we're gonna try the egg. It looks like a sunny side up egg, black pepper, paprika, and mountain cheddar cheese, parsley, and red pepper. If you don't like it spicy, I wouldn't add it. The paprika, maybe. Yeah, you just add more black pepper. Okay. I like these like skillet eggs. I call them skillet eggs because like a little flat omelet. It's puffy. It's very sandwich appropriate, like this. No meat involved. Yeah. Let me describe to you what it's like. No. I love the cinnamon sugar and the hot of the red pepper. I'm like a sweet, like oof. Like I'm ready to drink this type, you know, but it's still like a sweetness on my tongue. It just reminded me of like a bitter orange with some sweet lemonade. You ever had a blood orange? Okay. Thank you guys for watching my taste test. This recipe will be dropping soon, and I want you to have it shortly. Peace.